How I did, let me explain you once again. Listen carefully. Just select it and write the split function. Okay. Now to this split function, which name do you want to start? So select here, click on this. As you click on this, A2 will come, right? A column, second row, right? Now here, you want to split a name based on the space. Means you will going to split the name based on the space between these two. So you will get a Geeta and Manali, right? So how you going to select this? You are going to pass like this. Means a space between the double quote, right? As you write this, press enter. So you see here Geeta and Manali you are coming, right? Now you don't have to do it for all. What you're going to do it, just take the cursor at the end of the cell, you will get this plus symbol, right? Are you getting this plus symbol? Can you see
Yes.
this? Just
Mhm.
drag it to the end. See here, as I drag it, it is showing me for everything, right? So like this, you can split the name to your first name and last name, and those who are having, and those who don't have their, and those who don't have their last name, they can, it will not show anything there, right? Is it clear to you? Like how if the name can be split?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
So these are one. So till now we have seen count, count if function, sum function, text function, split function. Now let's see about the another function. I will going to share this file with you, this web page. There you today also one function we have seen. You can just have a look on that and you can try it as well. Now you want to perform search function. Okay. Search function is not that much important, but let's do with concatenate. Don't go for search as of now, it's complex. Do it for concatenate as of now. So suppose if you want to do concatenate, how you're going to do concatenate? Okay, so let's do it again here. So we'll go to the sheet here. Now here I want the name back, right? So what I will going to do here, equal to, as you type concatenate, it will going to give you here this function concatenate. Now you have to pass Geeta name. Okay, then you have to add with a space, right? Now the next thing that you will select is Manali, right? Now you close this and press enter. So you're going to get, like, now it is suggesting you as well, are you, or do you want to autofill the remaining one? Do you want it, yes or no?
yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
So if you want it, just click on this arrow, or you can press Control Enter as well. There are two ways that you can achieve this. Either you can press Control and Enter as I'm doing here. So see, when I press Control and Enter, I get it. And you can do it by clicking on those arrow mark as well. That this kind of symbol that you are getting it, right? This tick mark. Once you click on tick mark also, you will get this. So this is one more function that we have seen, concatenate. So now here, if it is, suppose underscore is there, suppose in place of a space, if we have a underscore, sorry, in place of this, if we have a underscore, then how you're going to work? Okay, now again you are going to write here concatenate. Now here what you're going to pass?
Underscore on the bracket.
Okay, sorry, here, because I make changes here, it will get vanished, right? So okay, I can do one thing, I can do it in other, it's not working. Okay, let's try here itself. Okay, let me remove it. I will going to show you that because I changed the string here, it was not working with that formula, right? So like this it works. Now let me open new sheet. Okay, let me open for this. So here I'm opening the new sheet. Now I will make change here. Let me remove this. So you can select it as well. You can select like this, control and backspace. You can remove it, right? Now you are going to change the name here with underscore. So based on the task is given to you, you have to work, and it is very easy. Suppose if anything that is assigned to you apart from what I have discussed in the class, you can simply Google it and you can do it as well. Okay. Now suppose you want to convert this. So how you can do it? Equal to. Okay. So here split. Okay. Now here what you're going to pass?
Underscore on the bracket.
Your name, and you will going to yeah, so in place of this you will going to pass underscore
Double quoted bracket.
and press enter. So you can see it is coming Geeta and Manali, right? Now you just drag it, so you are getting for everything, right? So this is the reason I was telling you, based on what you pass in a double quote, it will going to split it. Earlier we were passing a space because the space was there, but now we have an underscore between the name, so we're going to use this. Okay, is it clear? Like how we're going to split or concatenate the name based on the given condition. Like if it is underscore, you have to use underscore. If
So
it is a space,
if we use any letter, then it's gonna split from there.
any letter means,
Like GEETA. If we put T on a double quoted bracket, does it gonna split from there?
sorry, I didn't get it. Can you just send on the chat? Because they are predefined functions, split, concatenate. If you use other than that, it won't work. Split, concatenate, and sum, concatenative, today they are predefined function. If you give other than those, it won't work.
Oh, okay.
So you are
What if
saying,
there is,
yeah,
what if there is no space or underscore or anything between Gita Mainali, and then we want to um,
if there is,
Split that.
split them between A and M?
if there is a no space, like here, like Kumar and Prechu, it will going to
No,
give
but
you an empty.
no, there is a last name, but there is no space there. Okay, let's say Kumar.
Okay, let me do that.
Yeah.
I don't think it will work, but it then we have to write any other means another way of doing that.
Yeah, sometimes people they just like to write it down like without space, but we want to make it look good, so we want them to be separated. So
I don't think it will work because you can see here, this is a full name, right? Now, if I want to split, then in what basis I will going to split? You tell me what I will going to split here. Based on what?
maybe based on character.
But it will be for you. What about others? It will be for you based on character. If I select Manali for
Just
M,
like just like for dollars, we had to do individually for everyone. Maybe for
Yeah.
this one too, we have to do individually for everyone.
Then you need to write every time the new formula.
Oh, okay.
That every time you need to write a new formula there. Like you can see here, if I take it like this, okay, I'm just writing split, and I'm going to pass Gita name. Then I wanted to split based on nothing. Okay, you can see here it is giving an error because on basis of what I wanted to split. Now if there is nothing, space is there, let me pass M. Now I will going to just press enter, so you can see Gita and Anali, but M will going to be vanish.
Yeah,
So
that's what I was asking. Now I
yeah,
got.
so that I was saying you. Now if we want to check it for this, or otherwise what you have to do it, you have to take the character twice in the name, or you can do it like this, split. So you can do here. Oh, okay, no, it's not working. So otherwise in that case you should have anything that you have to split it, your M should be extra, or anything you should need extra. Otherwise I will going to check it, like we can write down some we can optimize this, we can customize this, not optimize, we can customize this, but we need to think like on what basis we're going to split. Now if I do it for Leknath, then it might be possible that based on the O I'll going to split, so O will get vanished,
Varies.
only JHA will get. So that is no mean of doing that. You need something based on what you have to identify that you can split on that. Either it should be colon, either it should be underscore or hyphen or space, right?
Dot.
Yeah, dot. Good.
Okay.
So based on that, you have to identify.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if I try it for all, so other are fail to do that. Why? Because for particularly for your case, M is there, but rest of them don't have M in their name, right? So it will going to fail. So this also you have to learn, you have to identify, you just explore from your side, right? So is it clear to everyone like how these formulas work?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Sorry?
today, yeah. Anyone having any question?
No,
Leknath, is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me, Amit. No any question.
Formula?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay.
I'm good.
So today you go through those functions that I've explained it, go through this video and follow this document that I'm sharing with you. This link I'm sharing you on the chat. Just see this. Copy this link and save it on your system, and follow the all formula. I've explained you 7 formula. Don't go for VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP I will going to explain you. VLOOKUP as of now you don't go, or you can do till what I've explained you. Okay, today function, sum function, concatenate, okay, count tape, okay, split function. You can try for that. Text function, you can get it everything here. Okay, try for those function. Have you copied the link?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you
Yeah.
sure, everyone?
Yes.
Please save this link carefully with you, because in the next class when we connect, that is
okay.
okay.